Hi guys, assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Amer TV. So ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay kung paano natin matrack yung ating shipment from abroad sa LBC online. So be sure na alam natin yung ating tracking number guys, and then paki-install na din itong ating LBC application sa Google Play Store di kaya sa Apple Store. So after that i-open lang natin guys. Okay, so ayan. Wait lang natin guys. So as you can see, meron tayong makikitang track package. So ilalagay natin dyan yung ating tracking number para matrack natin kung saan na ba yung ating shipment. Okay, so ipipaste ko na lang dito guys. Ayan. Then pindutin lang natin itong parang player dito na red. Ayan. Okay, so ayan na guys. So as you can see, makikita na natin yung process ng ating shipment. Okay. So ayan, day by day guys, makikita natin yung process. Ayan. So as you can see, yung kanina, November 27, 2023. So shipment is in route to Cotabato delivery team. Okay. So pag makita natin dyan na dumating na dun sa Cotabato, so pwede na natin siyang i-release guys dun sa opisina ng LBC. Pwede na natin puntahan dun. So be sure na dala natin yung ating ID at saka yung ating resibo. Okay. So yung copy ng resibo guys at saka yung tracking number. Yun kasi yung importante guys is yung ating tracking number. So, kailangan natin yan ipakita doon para ma-detect nila or mahanap nila yung ating shipment. Okay? So, ayan. So, everyday, ganun lang yung gawin natin guys. I-track lang natin kasi everyday kasi is pinaprocess nila yung ating shipment online. So, pwede natin siya i-check online. Okay? So, ayan. Okay guys, so kung hindi tayo maka-install ng ating LBC application, so pwede natin siya i-track dito sa Google Chrome. So i-search lang natin LBC. Okay, so dito sa baba meron tayong makikitang LBC Track and Trace. So i-select natin yan. Okay, so ayan, nilalagay lang din natin yung ating tracking number dito. So ayan, then ito track natin. Okay. So ayan, wait lang natin. Okay, so pupunta tayo dito sa baba. Okay, so ayan na. Parehas lang din guys. So makikita naman natin dito, ayan. Okay, so shipment is en route to Cotabato delivery team. Okay, so parehas pa rin yan guys yung makikita natin. So arrive in Philippines. Dumating siya nung November 13, 2023 sa Pilipinas. Okay. So, ayan. So, again, sana makatulong ito sa inyo. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Amer TV for the latest videos na aking i-upload. Shukran and wassalam.